If you are trying to run a gated model in your local system from Hugging Face, then you need to set Hugging Face tokens. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that. Because if you are using a gated model and you don't specify Hugging Face token API access token, then you will get an error like this, where, for example, I was trying to use this Stability AI's gated model, and it says that this model can't be used because it's a gated model. Okay. Now, in order to use it, what you need to do is to set the Hugging Face API first and then go from there. The first step is to install this Hugging Face Hub, and I'm using this Linux system in my notebook. So I'm installing Hugging Face underscore hub first. Let's run it. Shouldn't take too long. And meanwhile it runs, go to your Hugging Face website. From there, on the top right, click on your profile and then go to settings. In the settings, on the left hand side, click on access tokens, and from here, this is your access token which you can use. So let me copy it and I will regenerate it afterwards. So don't worry about copying it. Okay, so go back, and okay, so this is already installed, which is good. Now this is how you can set it either in your code or in your environment variable. For environment variable, all you need to do is to just write export and then variable name and value. But I'm going to set it in the code, and let me show you how. All you need to do is to import this login from Hugging Face Hub and then log in with your token. And this is a token which I copied from Hugging Face website. Let's run it. The login was successful. And now when you would run any of your gated model code again, it will be able to download because you're now successfully authenticated. Now one word of caution: if you are sharing this code, don't put it here. Put it in some .env file and then call it from there. And if you don't know how to do that, I have another video to which I will drop the link in video description that will show you how can you set .env file in the notebook. I hope that this was useful. If you have any feedback, please put them in the comments. And also, if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.